bang kumita online pero ayaw mong maging VA? So baka kasi may full-time job ka na or baka naman estudyante ka pa lang na merong hectic schedule. So don't worry, I got you. Kasi alam mo ba, may isang paraan na flexible, beginner-friendly at hindi mo kailangan magpakita ng face sa client. So let me introduce you to digital products. So ano ba yung digital products? So yan yung mga product na hindi physical, ibig sabihin hindi natin kailangan ng inventory kasi pwede nating i-download yan, i-send online or gamitin digitally. So ang mga example niyan are ebooks, digital planners, Canva templates, online courses, and yung mga printables. And ang maganda kasi with digital products, once mo lang talagang gagawin yan, once ka lang mag-e-effort, and pwede mo na yung ibenta ng paulit-ulit. So dito, no need for inventory, no shipping, and ang pinakamaganda, no boss. So kung may trabaho ka, walang problema. Kasi dito, pwede mong gawin yung digital product mo anytime. So pwede yan kahit gabi, weekend, or every off mo. Then after mo makagawa, pwede mo na yan i-list sa mga selling platform to get sales. So technically dito, habang natutulog ka, may chance ka pa rin kumita. And now, kung estudyante ka naman, for me, mas okay yan kasi hindi siya kasing demanding ng pagiging VA na merong oras na sinusunod. So here, you are your own boss. So diba, ang ganda pakinggan? So here, ikaw mismo yung pipili kung ano yung i-create mo, kung saan mo yan ibebenta, like sa Etsy, Gumroad, or sa Racket PH ba? So personally, ito rin yung ginawa ko. Nag-start ako sa paggawa ng mga simple digital files, no background, no fancy tools. Ang gamit ko lang is si Canva and ChatGPT. And by the way, those two na nabanggit ko ay pwede nating magamit for free. And fast forward today, I am earning passive income from digital products na nagawa ko months or years ago. So, di ba, kung kaya ko, I'm sure kayang-kaya mo rin yan. And take note ha, in creating digital products, you don't need to be techie. Ang kailangan lang talaga is that mag-start ka, show up, and be consistent. So, kung gusto mong kumita online kahit busy ka, digital products might be the perfect side hustle for you. So now, if you're interested to know more about digital products, comment mo lang yung word na digital dyan sa ating comment section at isisend namin sa inyo yung step-by-step process kung paano kayo makakapag-umpisa.